Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn how bag of word and term frequency and verse document frequency are implemented in Python. Theoretically, I have explained these concepts in the first part of this tutorial, so I will recommend you to go first to that part to know what exactly bag of word and TF-IDF are. The link is given in the description. Count vectorizer and TF-IDF vectorizers are used to implement these concepts. Count vectorizer is used to implement simple bag of word approach, while TF-IDF vectorizer is used to implement term frequency, inverse document frequency in Python. And this is the basic difference between these two vectorizers. So I have already prepared the code. I will I will explain it line by line and will print the output to get the things more clear. So let's start the coding. So this is the implementation of simple bag of word approach in Python. I have written this code in Jupyter Notebook. So let's start. In the first line, I am importing stop words. Stop words are basically commonly used words in text documents. These words are repeating with high frequency and having less importance. So we are importing these words to eliminate them from the text documents. Then in the second line, I am importing pandas library. It is a very powerful tool to manipulate and analyze the data. Then I am importing count vectorizer from scikit-learn library. This will be used to create feature vectors of the text documents, or we can say count vectorizer will convert text documents into numerical values. Then I am importing distance from SciPy library. This will be used to calculate Euclidean distance between the text documents. Now let's take an array data having two documents. Document 1 is Ahmed likes to take tea in the morning, and document 2 is Ahmed likes morning walk, also Ahmed likes reading. So this array having two documents. Then I am initializing count vectorizer passing two parameters. The first parameter stop underscore words equal to English is telling to the count vectorizer to eliminate stop words from the text documents. And the second parameter is defining gram range for the count vectorizer. Here I am passing 1 comma 1. It's mean here I am using unigram. Unigram, bigram and n-gram, these concepts have been explained in the first part of this tutorial. Then I am calling fit function from count vectorizer. Basically, fit function will create an vocabulary or dictionary for these two text documents. The vocabulary will contain all the unique words from these two text documents. So if I print the vocabulary, you can see it contains all the unique words from the text documents, and the unique words are Ahmed likes take tea, morning walk and reading. These 7 words are the unique words from these two documents. Then I am calling transform function. Basically, transform function will create feature vectors for the text documents. Then in the next line here I am converting output of the transform function into a data frame to easily manipulate and analyze them. So the first parameter is defining rows of the data frame. Since there are two text documents, so there will be two rows in the data frame. And the second parameter is defining headers of the column in the data frame. Here I am getting headers from this dictionary. So these unique words will be set as headers of the column in the data frame. Here I am retrieving first row of the data frame. Here 0 means first row, and assigning it to a variable feature underscore vector 1. So feature underscore vector 1 will have feature vector for document 1. And in the next line I am getting second row of the data frame. Here 1 means second row of the data frame. So feature underscore vector 2 will have feature vector for the second text document. So you can check what values data frame have. So you can see the data frame having these values. These are the feature vectors for the text documents, and this 0 and 1 are the indexes of the rows. Now I am calling Euclidean distance formula from the SciPy library and passing two feature vectors. This is the feature vector for text document 1, and this is the feature vector for text document 2. I am passing these two feature vector. This will calculate distance, Euclidean distance between these two feature vectors. So if I print, it will give me a value 2.44. So 2.44 is the Euclidean distance between these two documents, as we are passing feature vectors of these documents. If we print feature vector for, let's say, text document 2, it will give me these values. Here 2 means, this 2 means that Ahmed having two occurrences in document 2. So you can see that Ahmed is repeating twice in document 2. Similarly, likes keyword, similarly like feature is repeating twice. So likes will also have value of 2. Tag and T feature are not there in text document 2. So these features having values of 0. Similarly, you can check feature vector for text document 1. So this is the feature vector for text document 1. Here reading and walk feature are not there in the text document 1, so having 0 values. So this was the implementation of bag of word approach in Python. Now let's come to implementation of term frequency inverse document frequency in Python. So this is the code that I have already prepared. Almost all the code is the same as for bag of word, simple bag of word approach, except here I am importing TF-IDF vectorizer instead of count vectorizer. And you can check the output. So this is the output. Here you can see the feature vectors having values and decimal, as TF-IDF measure importance of a feature in the document as well as in the whole corpus, so these values are in decimals. And the Euclidean distance is 0.97. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.